Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please yes. Okay, thank you.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So in this video we will decrease our friends follower. Okay, so let me take an example. So you can see that ये क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो है, इसके पास 475 फॉलोइंग है एंड 321 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हैं. सो जस्ट आपको इंस्पेक्ट करना है. So how to inspect? So in order to inspect, you just need to press Ctrl, Shift and I. Okay? तो उसके बाद आपको followers ढूंढना है. Okay? Just find the followers and just click edit HTML and just remove the M. Okay? And double click here and you can see that Cristiano have 321 followers right now. Okay? So you can prank your friend by doing it. Okay? You can say your friend that, hey bro, you are losing millions of followers right now. So they will be very much shocked. Okay, I hope you like it. If you want to make stuff like this, you can subscribe me. Okay.
दिन दिख जाएगा माटी ये मोल जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे रे